Finally, the long-awaited eyebrow tutorial video. So what I do to get started is I use something called a spoolie, and that basically just brushes out my eyebrows and gets them all aligned and even so that my pencil can glide on better. Next, I go in with my Define a Brow pencil, and it's made by Maybelline. I love this because it just gets my eyebrows perfect. Like the lines and everything are sharp and defined. Depending on what color my hair is, I'll either use soft brown or deep brown, but it's up to you. It's whatever your preference is. So to start, I follow the natural line of my brow. And because my eyebrows are short, I like to draw out the tail a little longer. So I'll do that at the bottom first, and then I'll go to the top of my brow and follow the natural line as well. So once I get my lines defined, then I'll go in and fill in the tail end of my eyebrow first. And then I'll go ahead and fill in the entire brow using even brush-like strokes. And just a side note, that initial line that I draw at the bottom is always a little extended past the front portion of my eyebrow, also because that area tends to be short too. So in order to elongate my brows, I'll just start the line a little bit in front of my eyebrow. So now I'm going to put my finishing touches on the fill-in and make sure that portion that I kind of elongated in the front is all filled in as well. And as you can see, the brow is basically kind of done, but now I'm going to go in and clean it up a little bit. So I use my angled brush to blend out the front. And your eyebrows might look kind of crazy if you're doing them both at once. You might look like you have a unibrow going on, but I'm going to fix that by using my finger to just gently wipe away any excess and make the brow as long as I want it to be. Now, after that, I use my True Match concealer, which you can use any concealer that you have. It doesn't have to be the one I use, but yeah. So I'm going to just follow the line of the brow, just clean it up. It doesn't have to be a thick layer of concealer. You just want enough to like clean up the edges and make it defined and nice and sharp and beautiful. So after that, I wipe off my brush and I'll just use it to blend everything out so that the concealer and my skin match. And I use my finger to wipe off any excess. And we're basically done.